Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how COVID-19 pandemic is leading to the rise in plastic pollution. As we know, COVID-19 is an ongoing global pandemic and a warning to the humans to save the planet before it is too late. It is true that due to lessened industrial practices and infrequent air travel, the coronavirus has done wonders for air pollution. But that's not the case with the ocean pollution. The combat against plastic pollution is being hit by the COVID-19 pandemic due to the use of disposable masks, gloves, and other protective equipments. Single-use plastics, including surgical masks and plastic cup, have been vital in supporting society during COVID-19. However, plastic pollution is still a major global issue. The sudden reverberation of these plastics is making things much worse. Historical data tells us that about 75% of coronavirus plastic will likely become waste clogging our landfills and floating in our seas. Even social distancing has led to a flood of products delivered daily to homes, wrapped in a plethora of packaging as people turn to online shopping and takeout services. Thailand's Environment Institute reported plastic waste has increased during COVID-19 pandemic owing to soaring home deliveries of food. Although single-use PPE is certainly a major concern for COVID-related ocean pollution, the virus has also increased the amount of single-use plastic consumers use. Banning on face masks remains the least option at the moment because its positive impacts in the ongoing global fight against the COVID-19 is increasing. But the sensitization of the peoples can aid in the management of these litters. During the COVID-19 crisis, it is essential to protect us by using safety equipments, but we cannot lose sight of the other things going around us. The long-term challenges which we are facing, the environmental and the public health risk generated by excessive plastic waste. Governments, for their part, must recognize the important role of waste management service. We too have to create awareness amongst us and let make the world a better place to live in. Some tips which we can use to continue to fight against the ocean pollution. Sort out plastic waste. If waste management services are reduced in your city, you can store plastic waste in resistant bin bags. Use your own reusable shopping bags. You can wash it at 60 degrees after every use. Dispose single-use masks and gloves. Do not throw them away outdoors. Keep them in a sturdy bag and throw them in the household waste bin. Make others aware about the threats of plastic pollution. One thing which most of us do is that the milk packets which we are using for our cooking purposes, you should not snip off the tip of your milk packet. Why? Because these milk packets are made of low density polyethylene, which is a subclass of plastics. And to recycle this type of plastic, it has to be compressed at a high temperature and in certain shape, else they add no value. So these microplastics, which are less than 5 millimeters in length, rain and wind carry these smaller fragments into drainage systems, which could lead to clogging. These can even enter water bodies, and as a result, marine organisms may mistakenly consume them. I feel you all have your own ideas to save the planet. So at the end, I just want to say, it's not only the duty of the frontline workers, but also we can do our bit for a future of reduced waste, better health outcomes, and a sustainable environment. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, then do subscribe to my channel, like and comment.